Okay guys, so I got called out to this 2000, I want to say it's a 2017 Nissan Frontier. Let's see, yeah, 17 Frontier. And the issue is, they said they have two codes for the crash zone. Yeah, right here. Crash zone sensor 94, B0094, and left-hand satellite sensor B0093. So now I'm wondering if they mixed up the connectors on here again. Because I came down here at the light because all this stuff's off. And then I saw that this connector is just flopping. And then we have this connector up here just flopping. And when I was looking at this, I have a feeling that this is supposed to go up there with the other ones because of the way it's wrapped. And this other one, I don't know, I didn't look at the wire color. Let's see. Yeah, look at this. This one's white. They mixed it up again. Look at this. Gray. You guys see that? Because they did this last time to me. It took me forever to figure it out. So like, I don't know if you guys can see the colors real well. So that's gray, black, and white. And if you look at this one on the truck side, it's well, the front side, gray, black, and white. But look at this one down here. We got blue, red, and black. Now let's look up here. Let's see what colors are on this side. This casing is usually really hard to move. I have a feeling that they mixed them up just by that. Can we look on the door side? Let's see what colors comes through the door. Can you look on this side? Yeah. Well, we got white and orange and blue. I think this is the same thing that happened last time. I really think they mixed them up. We need to get a pocket screwdriver to push this tape off. Yeah, let me grab a pocket screwdriver. Okay guys, so look at this. Here's our crash zone sensor, like white and black. And then there's our connector right there in the middle of the screen, I think. That M10 and E29. Because it comes over here to our, well, it goes over to our module. And now I'm looking for, I was trying to find our driver's side satellite sensor, left to rear, left side airbag. That's a rocker panel. Right rear, I didn't see it up here. Must be on the first page. Let's see. Is there a left front on here? Left front satellite door sensor. Look at that. Green and red and black. And then it just goes to red and blue and white and orange right there. Let's go look at our connector. Okay, so look at this. So there's our connector. And hopefully you guys can see this. Maybe. See a peek in there? Look at that. See the colors right there? Look at that. There's our, it's like a red and blue, or white and blue. And then I think there's a black right there. Or no, that's a white and blue. I'm sorry. This one has our colors. Our green, our red, and our black. So they got these mixed up. So I'm going to disconnect these, switch them, and then we should be good to go once we clear codes. Okay guys, so I got the connectors mixed, flipped around. So now you can see, got our white, black, and gray going into there. And then our red, green, and that's going into that one. So let's turn this key on. Hopefully we don't get hit in the face with an airbag. There we go. Let's go back. Let's just rescan, see what we get. Look at that, no fault codes. Can you believe that? Mixed up ones again. And look, our light isn't flashing. Our light was flashing when we came out for our airbag module. Crazy. Don't know how they do it. I don't even want to know how they do it. Let me grab my power bank. My phone was dying. Let's see. Look at that. Nothing. Let's turn this off. Let's start it. Oh, that almost didn't start. 32,000 miles. Let's see if our airbag light goes out. Boom. Airbag light's out. Let's just go back in here real quick. Just do another quick scan just to make sure. Yeah, look at that. No more codes. Just had the connectors mixed up. Crazy. Yeah, no lights. Except for our seatbelt. 92%. Hope you guys like this. Sometimes visual inspection pays. See you guys later.